Today we're going to be taking a look at how to install Python, okay? This tutorial will make the entire process quick and easy, so go grab some popcorn, sit back, and let's get started. Before we get started though, please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content that I make. And without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So, first things first, let's talk about what Python even is. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that's known for its simplicity, versatility, and ease of use. It's used in a variety of industries, from web development to data science, and in my opinion, it's the single best language to learn for beginners trying to get into the field of programming. So, now that we know what Python is, let's dive into the installation process. You can either download Python through the Microsoft Store or through the Python official website. I'll cover the Microsoft Store first because it's much easier and faster, but the website also works if you prefer to install the absolute latest version of Python out there right now, or if you're using a different operating system like Mac or Linux. Okay, so let's get started by opening up the Microsoft Store and searching for Python 3.11. Of course, if you don't have any specific needs, install 3.11 as it's the latest one, but if you need another version for any reason, they're all available on the store. So after you click get, that's it, Python's installed on your computer, and now let's take a look at how to install it from the website. .org. Okay, so we get here, right, and I'll link this in the description below, okay? And once we're there, we'll see a button that says download, right? You want to click that button, and you'll be taken to the download page. From there, you'll see a few options for different versions of Python. You'll also see a big yellow button that will install the current latest version. At the time of recording, the latest version of Python is 3.11.2, and so we're going to download that version of Python now. Okay. Alright. Save, or you can open it the way that I did it. And now follow along with these steps, okay? You want to check this, right? Okay. Check that, and then go to Customize Installation, okay? You want all of these checked, okay? Next, install Python 3.11 for all users. You can choose whether you want to do this or not, right? And so, alright, we're good. And then you can click install. It does that. And well, you're done installing Python now, but there's still a few steps left that you should probably do, okay? So, first you want to go into your command prompt, right? Open, right? And now once you're here, you should type in Python space dash version. Now this is to check what version of Python that you have, right? It should give you a response something like this to let you know that you've done this correctly, okay? That was just to check whether everything worked properly or not, and it's really fine. Yeah. Tips to make your Python installation work even better for you, right? First, I would want you to consider installing a code editor like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm to make writing and testing Python code even easier. And second, don't forget to install some Python packages using pip, like Pygame. Okay, some popular packages, of course, include NumPy, Pandas, and IDE, which is something like PyCharm, right? You can always just type in IDLE, right? And this is something that's made by default, okay, for Python. Alright, and then you can just use this to edit your files. Alright, this also works. Okay guys, and there you have it. Installing Python doesn't have to be a long and tedious process. With a few clicks of the next button, you can have Python up and running in no time. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Have a great rest of your day.